Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at East Oaks. This is their pyramid patio heater. We're going to go ahead and open this up, show you guys what you get. It's nice, everything comes boxed off, so you got all your accessories in different boxes and everything says like part 7 and all that fun stuff. So far everything seems to be made of high quality. So I do have to say there's a lot of work involved with this. I mean a lot of work. So this is not something that you can just simply throw together really quickly. I do recommend you have 2 people with you to get it done faster. One person can do it, but I recommend 2 people. We're actually not going to install it right now. We are going to wait because it's so many pieces, so many parts that need to go together. We actually plan to take this up to our cabin, install it in our cabin, and have it, for a heating area for our patio. And if we put it together, everything together now, I'm afraid when we take it up there, the long haul, it's going to get damaged or break or something. So we're actually going to put it together up there. So we're going to be doing a special video in the coming months when we actually install it. But overall, it's nice quality. It's just a lot more to put together. There's a lot more things that you guys need to do, but the quality is fantastic. The reviews on it are, everyone loves it. So I have no doubt that it's going to be pretty awesome once we get it set up.